What's up, guys? I'm here with Andrew from Colors Restorations, and we're going to be polishing a
Swift 125.
Swift 125. Alright, what's up, guys? We're currently sitting in the 125, and this wouldn't be comfortable for a long ride, eh?
No.
No, not with me and you. No, definitely not. What year is this plane?
1949.
1949. Did you enjoy polishing it?
Yeah, I mean, I learned a lot from the king, and
Awesome.
definitely can't wait to get my hands on another one.
Nice. Did you enjoy using the Sinister products? Did they work good?
Oh, it was easy. They weren't messy, and I mean, for somebody new in the polishing world, it's going to make my life a lot easier.
Awesome. You're the owner of
Colors Restoration. The motor on this thing's a Continental IO 280, 125 horsepower at about 2,400 RPM.
How long you been in the aviation industry?
It's about 8-9 years now.
8-9 years. Wow, that is a lot of knowledge. Do's and don'ts for someone polishing a plane as a beginner. Just things to watch out for. What would you suggest?
Well, the first thing is don't pull the prop the wrong way.
Things I've learned on the plane, the propeller, just don't spin it at all. Apparently you can start and cut your fingers off. I've been pulling the prop the wrong way and told I could possibly lose my fingers 2 days after we polished. You didn't want to start on day one, you wanted to wait 2 days to tell me that. That's fine.
Other things too with airplanes is like you're gonna have to watch out for trim tabs or fuel vents, because the fuel vents are just open to the fuel tank, so they're working with electric machines, spark, gas. It's not gonna be a fun day.
Someone on TikTok was saying about grounding the plane because of the electricity. Is that something that we would have to do on this plane because this plane's been sitting for so long? Does it matter? Or is it something that needs to be possibly addressed?
The static is kind of here and there. Obviously polishing is going to create static, but if you've got up on the airplane, touched the ground after, it's any static is going to be dissipated, so that's nothing to worry about.
Cool. All right. I think we're going to pull the plane outside and get some shots of it in the snow.
Yeah.
And obviously not going to take it up in the air because we'll get, what's it called?
Yeah, we'll get ice on the wing because we're in it's what's known as a known icing condition today.
A known icing condition. So basically there's nothing to melt the ice on the wing, so that means we're going to crash and
burn, yeah.
Awesome. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode Behind the Bling. This has been the polishing of the Swift 125 with Andrew from Colors Restorations. And it was a great job, great project. I had a lot of fun. You learned a lot of
I
stuff.
learned a lot, yeah.
Now he can take that knowledge and continue with his aviation dreams.
Yeah.
Because you are just strictly aviation detailing and stuff, right?
No, I do the odd
You
car.
do car? Odd
Yeah.
car? Okay, so he does the odd car, but me personally, I know that the planes are more better, fun,
Yeah.
for sure.
A lot cleaner.
A lot cleaner, yeah, and a lot more rewarding.
Yeah.
How many people get to say that they've worked and polished, cleaned a plane, you ceramic coat them?
Yeah.
He does all kinds of stuff. Definitely go follow him on Instagram at Colors Restoration, on TikTok at Dr. Mac. Follow me as well. Give a like, drop a comment, visit all our social media, visit the website, and that was another episode of Behind the Bling, Aviation Flyboy Edition.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Peace.